The Oriental Orthodox Church stands as a testament to the enduring power of faith and tradition. This ancient Christian communion traces its roots back to the very dawn of Christianity. It holds a unique place within the larger body of Christendom. The Oriental Orthodox Church is known for its rich history, its distinct theology, and its vibrant cultural expressions. It has played a pivotal role in shaping the religious landscape of the world. The Church's origins can be traced back to the earliest days of Christianity. Its theological foundations were laid in the great centers of early Christian learning. Alexandria in Egypt and Antioch in Syria were two such places. The Oriental Orthodox Church faced numerous challenges throughout its history. Despite these trials, the Church remained steadfast in its commitment to the teachings of the Apostles and the early Church Fathers. Today, the Oriental Orthodox Church continues to be a vibrant and growing faith community. It is a testament to the enduring power of the Christian message and the resilience of the human spirit. At the heart of Oriental Orthodox theology lies a profound mystery, the union of divinity and humanity in the person of Jesus Christ. This mystery, known as Christology, has been a central concern for Christians since the earliest days of the Church. The Oriental Orthodox understanding of Christology is rooted in the concept of Miaphysitism. This term, derived from the Greek words mia, one, and physis, nature, underscores the inseparable unity of Christ's divine and human natures. Miaphysitism asserts that in the one person of Jesus Christ, there exists only one nature, a single undivided nature that is both fully divine and fully human. This understanding emphasizes the completeness of Christ's incarnation. This concept was at the heart of several early church councils. One of the most important was the Council of Ephesus in 431 AD. There, church fathers affirmed the Virgin Mary as Theotokos, the God-bearer. This title underscores the belief that Jesus Christ, from the moment of his conception, was both God and man. The Oriental Orthodox Church's understanding of Christology is central to its liturgical life, its spiritual practices, and its very identity. It shapes the way Oriental Orthodox Christians approach prayer, sacraments, and their relationship with God. The Oriental Orthodox Church has been blessed with a rich heritage of saints and scholars who have profoundly shaped its theological thought, spiritual life, and liturgical practices. These luminaries, revered for their piety, wisdom, and unwavering commitment to Christ, continue to inspire and guide the faithful today. One of the most prominent figures is Saint Cyril of Alexandria. Serving as the Patriarch of Alexandria in the 5th century, Cyril was a staunch defender of Christ's divinity against the heresies of his time. His writings and sermons, known for their theological depth and clarity, played a pivotal role in shaping the Church's understanding of Christology. Another towering figure is Pope Dioscorus I of Alexandria. He was a champion of the Miaphysite understanding of Christology and a vocal opponent of the theological errors that arose in the 5th century. Beyond these prominent figures, the Oriental Orthodox Church venerates a host of saints who exemplify the transformative power of faith. These saints, hailing from diverse backgrounds and walks of life, embody the Church's rich spiritual heritage. The Oriental Orthodox Church, while rooted in the ancient traditions of the East, has spread its branches across the globe, embracing a rich diversity of cultures and languages. Today, millions of faithful around the world find spiritual nourishment within its embrace. In Egypt, the Coptic Orthodox Church stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Christianity in the land of the pharaohs. The Armenian Apostolic Church, centered in the ancient land of Armenia, has played a pivotal role in preserving Armenian identity and culture through centuries of hardship. The Syriac Orthodox Church, with its roots in Antioch, the cradle of Gentile Christianity, continues to thrive in Syria, Lebanon, and the diaspora. In India, the Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church traces its origins back to the Apostle Thomas. The Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church, one of the oldest Christian churches in the world, has been an integral part of Ethiopian life for centuries. In Eritrea, the Eritrean Orthodox Tewahedo Church faces its own unique challenges. Each of these churches, while maintaining its own distinct identity and traditions, remains united in its adherence to the Miaphysite Christology and its reverence for the early church fathers.